Today we're kicking off a series all about losing weight. But before we dive into it, let's get something straight. Losing weight isn't all about looking good on the outside, it's about feeling awesome on the inside and having more energy to enjoy life. I am a board certified OBGYN with special interest in obesity, and I helped a lot of patients lose weight. I'll share with you the tips and tricks that I usually give to my patients when they come to me feeling stuck after trying many things and failing. In this series, we're going to explore weight loss in a different way. We'll dig into common beliefs people have had for many years about losing weight. Sometimes what you've heard or believed about it is not entirely accurate. We'll clear up the confusion, not based on trends, but based on science. Understand that weight loss isn't just about changing what you eat and how much you move. I heard it from many of my patients and I read it on many charts. It's about rewiring our brains, changing our habits and even personalities, and transforming our mindset. Think of it as upgrading your mind's operating system to a healthier version. You see, our brains are like supercomputers, controlling everything we do. And for us to be able to achieve weight loss, we have to reprogram the softwares running in our minds. Unfortunately, this isn't always possible if there are viruses infecting those computers. And those viruses can be common beliefs about exercise and healthy food that we will talk about in the coming episodes. So I want to talk about the contemplation and pre-contemplation. Some of us might be thinking, maybe I should do something about my weight, and that's contemplation. Others may not be thinking about it yet, and that's called pre-contemplation, and that's okay, because we all start somewhere. If you are in the contemplation phase, that's the best place to be, and this series is for you. So this episode is probably the most important episode out of the whole series, which is setting your goal. What got you to think about this change? Is it picturing yourself on a beach day, looking stunning in your swimwear? Is it a wedding day? Or probably you just want to impress someone special? Whatever the reason is, hold on to it, because this is going to be your motivation and your fuel for the journey. So before you attempt to lose weight, I want you to set your goal and think about why you're doing this in the first place. And here is a nifty trick. Trust me, you might think it's a bit too much, but it works. Print out pictures that represent your goal. It could be a picture of a dreamy beach or a wedding outfit, and stick those pictures where you can see them, on your wall, on your fridge, or even make them a wallpaper on your phone. Those visual reminders will keep your goal fresh in your mind. They will fire up your motivation. But let's keep it real, folks. Overnight magical transformation to a size 0 or looking like a Hollywood star, not going to happen. This process will take weeks or even months. It's a process that has its ups and downs. But this is how progress works. Keep at it and remember, every effort counts. So after this episode, do nothing other than making your goals real. Start by motivating yourself by setting and visualizing your goals. Get excited and start this journey. And remember, it's not about just the destination, it's about the whole journey. And we're all in this together, so let's encourage and support each other. So share with us in the comment section what your goals are. I'll be cheering you on. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join us in this amazing journey towards a healthier and a happier you. See you in the next episode.
Subscribe. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has a lot of tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, weekly meal plans, and much more.